Hey guys, Jace here from Securicom. So today, just a quickie, really just having a bit of a whinge. Had a customer call me up a couple of days ago. Basically, he's been having issues for like 6 months, right? He was with Optus, and then Optus weren't being helpful, so he goes, stuff you, went over to Telstra. And for the last 3 months with Telstra, he's had no internet. Well, it's been on, it's been off. Now, this guy's in his 80s, right? And his wife is in her 80s as well. He's hard of hearing. And basically he went down to the Telstra shop in Richmond. Now, I'm out at Windsor today, so I've driven all the way out here to help this guy. Went to the Telstra shop. Telstra people said, oh, yeah, okay, no worries. We'll have someone call you tomorrow. And nobody called. Anyway, so I'm just pulled over at the side of the road here in my car. And so nobody showed up. And now this guy's losing sleep over this. He was stressed out and basically found my number, called me, and I went out today to work out what's going on. They got fibre to the premises, FTTP, and for 6 months he's had no internet, right? So I got there, I literally fixed it in 2 minutes. That's how quick it was. 2-minute job. Now, what I found is when I got there, his Telstra router, one of the black ones, the gateways, was plugged into the WAN port on the gateway, and then into UNDI port 1 on the FTTP service. But there was no light on the FTTP, right? Which means, well, it's not connecting, right? So I plugged my laptop in, still nothing. Then I plugged my laptop into UNDI port 2, and it come on. It worked, like literally straight away. I got internet directly from the NTD. I run ping plotter on it for like, I don't know, 5 minutes, and it all looked good. I plugged his gateway in, and boom, it worked, right? Now, he had no internet for 6 months, right? He's spoken to Optus multiple times, spoken to Telstra multiple times, and they couldn't work this out. Like, how the hell, could they not work that out? Like, they must have been able to see that UNDI port 1 was not, it was connected to that, but there was nothing on it. They're elderly, right? I've got a lot of senior clients that I look after, and I do a lot of stuff for them now, setting up their gear, looking after their tech, getting their tellies all set up to the internet, and making sure all their devices work properly. It's a sort of something that we do a lot of at the moment, but this is just like, it's sort of unacceptable, really, isn't it? 6 months without internet, stressing this guy out to the point where he almost cried when I could see tears coming in his eyes when he finally got the internet working, and he could watch his Netflix that he's been paying for 6 months, and he hasn't been able to use it. And it worked. Like, the guy was just so happy, and all it took was me to a 2-minute call, right? And I just don't get it, how they just get fobbed off. Or there's just no accountability anymore. 6 months without internet because of a simple error. Like, how could they not have detected it? I'm sure he would have got down his little gnarled knees and plugged it into UNDI port 2 if they would have told him that, right? But they didn't. They kept saying, oh, well, it's not this, it's not that, you need to get a private technician. Unbelievable. Anyway, I'm just having a bitch. That's it. Real quick one. Bye. Hey guys, it's Jason here from Securicom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.